This is Eric Mwathe for the week of January 27th, 2014. Let's take a look at pre-market here with about 1 hour to go. See that the Dow is called up 63 points. S&P 500 is called up about 5.7 points. And if we take a look at the Nasdaq, it is also called up with about 6 points there. A quick look at markets overnight, and we see that Asia was down almost 1 to 2%, with Japan being the biggest loser there with 2.1%. Right now we are looking at Europe trading pretty much unchanged there, and I don't know whether this is Friday's action, but you see that the FTSE is down 1.1%. A quick look at commodities, and we see that natural gas has now turned negative here, and also gold right now is showing that it is down about 4 points. Silver is also trading about unchanged or slightly low. Let's take a look at the charts for the week, and for the week all we need to be watching here is if the Nasdaq is going to continue breaking that RSI trend line. Remember, now we are trading below 69.10, which means that this extended move here is now probably going to resolve to the downside. We'll see what happens. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones, and the weekly here is, remember, now we are trading below the previous buy point here, so we are trading below that level, also trading below the 10-week moving average. Remember, we talked about this double top would be problematic for the market. Now it remains to be seen whether we are going to break below this support line on the weekly, and you can see we are trading precisely at that level here. So either we are going to hold that level with a bounce off that line, which is going to be constructive. Also take note of the fact that the market is trading at 52.34 on the RSI. If it cracks below 50 this week, expect a big down week. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. And just like the Dow, it broke below its previous buy point on the way up. So that's a failed breakout for now. Also trading below the 10-week moving average and the 13-week moving average. On the RSI, we have this support line here that either is going to turn into support right now with a bounce this week, or we might even crack below that. So let's watch the RSI levels to see what the market is trying to do here. Let's take a quick look at the VIX, and on the VIX daily, you see that we broke out above this previous daily closing high going back to middle of December. So 16.21, the VIX needs to hold above that. Also on a breakout level, it needs to hold above this line here that I'm drawing. So it needs to stay in this general area here if it's going to do well. Now, if the VIX has a sharp reversal and it looks like that, in other words, it moves back below the blue line, this blue line here, then this is going to be looked at as a fake spike. So it needs to hold and stay above this level here, and also hold and stay above 16.21 to confirm that this breakout here is still intact. So be above that price range, it's okay. Anything below that could suggest that the market, the general market, is back in play. Have a good trading week. Eric Mwathe. Good luck, peace, and blessings.